Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another amazing episode. In today's episode, we are going to install an amazing product. This is the non-slip door cup mats, which is going to be installed in the door and in the cup space as well. So this is the product. Let's unbox it and let's stick it. So guys, this is the box. You can see card room non-slip door cup mats. So let's unbox this. If you open this, you will get so this is the mats, guys. So I'll show you where all we can place this. So let's remove one by one. So if you open these two mats, we can place these two mats here. Yes guys, this and this is for this another place. So you can see they have clearly mentioned for Polo. So in every mats you will get Polo name. So let's place one by one. So these two are here. Now let's take this one, guys. This one will go here. You can see it's looking really good now. Here and here, done. And another one will go here. This one will go here. So yep guys. So in this cup holder, the mats is fixed now. It's looking really good. And there are few more. This one, guys, this one will be here. I have installed this armrest, so there is no space. If you don't have armrest, then you can place this in the particular space. Okay, so this one is for that. And now, so here these two big mats are for the door, guys. Let me show you. You can see this is the cup holder, the door cup holder. So you can place this. Yes guys, it's done. You can see it's looking good now. Now let's place it for the left door. Now let's place this to the left door, guys. Just keep it like this. Done. You can see it's looking good now. So two more are left. This is for the rear door, guys. Now let me show you. So this is the rear door. There is no enough space, that's why they have given a small one. You can just keep like this. It's done. So here done. Now let's go to the next rear door, right one. Okay, just place like this. Guys, it's done. So two for the rear door as I showed, and one for the front door, and another one for the front left. And here also you will get here as well, here, and to the cup holder. Yes, it's giving a good look, guys, for the interior. So I'm pretty impressed. So guys, you will get three colors, which is blue trim, this is the white trim, and this is the red trim. So my my Polo is white color, so I have bought this white trim mats. So there are three colors, so you can choose according to your preference. So guys, it's looking really good, and it's looking really premium to the interior. I liked it very much. So let's discuss about the price. This this mats costed me rupees 1000 200 rupees. I bought this mats from Amazon. I will add the link in the description so you can also buy. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you haven't watched my previous episode where I have installed the boot 7D boot mat, which was amazing episode, guys. If you haven't watched the video is available on the screen now. Meet you all in my next episode. Till that, take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care.